Within financial management, what are the things come? Right? Within financial management, what are the things coming? You write scope. The scope means the areas which are covered by financial management, The following are the areas. You write the following are the areas. Now write number 1. Number 1 comes investment decisions. Investment decision, in bracket also you can write capital budgeting. It means when you have money, that money you can invest in permanent asset, you can purchase machine, you can go for new project, new business. This is all capital budgeting. This is investment decision. Financial management covers this. If the question is scope for financial management, then you write these points this way. Number 2, financing decisions. It means from where you shall collect the money. Like you can collect, I have told you, you can collect the money by sale of shares, issue of bonds, you can go for loan, bank loan, issue of debentures. So this is financial decision. Financing decision, not financial, financing, ing. Financing. Number 3, dividend decision. It means financial management helps to decide whether management should give dividends to the shareholders or whether the money should be kept in the business only. Suppose in the company there is profit. This profit can be either used in the business or this profit can be given to the shareholders as dividend, because shareholders are owners of the company. So how much to be given as dividend, how much to be kept in business, this decision is known as dividend decision. Financial management covers it. Next point, liquidity decision. Bracket you write working capital management. Bracket you can write working capital management. That means you have a business, you have to pay different types of bills, electricity bill, salary bill, how to collect money, how to pay the money, all these decisions. This is known as liquidity. You have to keep some money in hand. If you invest all money in fixed asset, then you cannot pay this. So how much cash should be in hand? You have to decide how much cash should be in hand, how much cash should be invested in asset. If you invest total money in asset, then you don't have 10 rupees to purchase a cup of coffee. This should not happen. You should have some money in hand so that you can pay the regular bills. So these are the areas, scopes. Let me repeat again. What are the scopes? Number 1, investment decision, it means capital budgeting coming under scope. Then financing decisions, where to collect the money. Then dividend decision, how much to pay dividend to shareholders, or